In this video, I will show you a brilliant hack to build fully functional Monday.com boards using artificial intelligence. Instead of wasting time clicking buttons and manually creating columns one by one, you can use Claude to design your entire board layout in seconds. This method is perfect for anyone who wants to streamline their project management setup without the tedious manual labor. First, you need to open Claude and give it a specific persona to get the best results. You should ask Claude to act as a project management architect. For your prompt, tell the AI that you want to build a board for a specific use case, like a product launch or a social media content calendar. Make sure you specify the exact columns you need. For example, ask for an item name, status with specific options like not started and done, a timeline for start and end dates, an owner, and a priority column. Tell Claude to populate the table with 5 realistic sample items grouped under a single section. Once Claude generates the table, simply highlight the entire thing and copy it to your clipboard. Next, head over to your Monday.com workspace and click the Add button in the sidebar to create a new board. Give your board a name and then right-click in the first cell of the table to paste your data. Monday.com will automatically recognize the table format and populate your columns perfectly. This shortcut saves you so much time and ensures your project tracking is professional from day one. I hope you found this automation tip helpful for your workflow. Thanks for watching.